Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Okay, we're just putting the red cabbage in here, seasoned it, put a little olive oil, and we are just sauteing that just a little bit.
Okay. That's pretty good.
Bam! Put a little water in there to keep it juicy.
So nice.
Shut that off.
These are orchids, the town rapist. Naughty, naughty.
I'm not right-handed. Throw me a bone. That's it.
Okay, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you want to see me cook something else, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.
You think that was good? Tell me I'm good. Tell me it was good. Tell me I'm good. Tell me I'm good. Tell me that was good. Tell me I'm good.
That's good.